Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's R2D2. Today we are going to be making your own galaxy slimy glue. So let's open it. Now we're going to open this box. Okay, I got it open. So let's see what it has, what we have. So all I need is a bowl. I'm going to take 1 scoop of the sodium tetraborate. I'm going to add it to the 25 milliliters of water. Now we will stir until it's dissolved. Make sure you hold it so it don't spill. Okay guys, you're going to pour it into whatever bowl you have once it dissolves. So mine dissolves, so I'll put it into this bowl. And you guys stir it and stir it more. If it didn't dissolve good and you don't know it. Okay guys, look. You could kind of see it in there. It's working out great so far. Okay guys. Okay. Maybe you could use your own teaspoon if you have one at home. But I'm going to follow the directions. And use the teaspoon they gave us. Okay. Gotta try to get these corners more in the middle. But all this stuff is in the middle. Just move it. Okay. And bubbles pop up. Oh my god, this is so... Good job, Cassidy. I'm doing good so far. This is how you mix eggs. I'm going to add a 25 milliliter of that other water to the other bowl. To this bowl. Milliliter. Hopefully this turns out good. It might not, it might show. Okay guys, look, it's starting to dissolve because the white stuff is going away faster and faster. So I'm gonna put it to the side because that's where I need to mix at the side. Let me put some music on. Having fun. I want some real music. Oh, come on. We're going to add 16 milliliters of glue to this bowl, not with the stuff in it. We're going to add it to just the water.
Yes. Start with the stick, not the spoon.
Okay. And this time we're not going to use the spoon, we're going to use the stick. This is what the stick looks like. And you start from the pointy part, not the unpointy part. Oh guys, we gotta get this out. Come on guys. Work. Get out. Get out for your people. Okay guys, we're gonna start mixing in the glue. Let's go. You gotta mix the glue super good. Cause last time I made slime, I didn't get it right. Now I'm going to add 2 drops of the blue dye. I'm going to open it super carefully. Okay. Only 2 drops. Don't. If you want your slime to be extra, maybe you could add 1, 2. Oh, look at this. Now do I mix it? Yes. The more drops you add of the purple or blue glue, the darker it will be. Mine is light right now because I only add 2 drops. I'm going to have half of this glitter. No, my super assistant went to open it. Wait guys, I need to ask you a comment down below if you know the answer. What do bees wear to school? I'm telling you the answer to this one. But you gotta guess the answer to the next one. Yellow jackets. Get it? Okay. Half of the bag. Now I'm going to mix it. Look at the glitter. It's covering up the whole glue. And I watched YouTube videos where people got a lot of glitter and you couldn't even see the glue. It's just so glittery. Now I'm going to slowly add some of the sodium tetraborate solution
into the glue solution.
You can pick up the bowl because when you pick it up with the spoon, that's what comes out. So,
hold the spoon,
okay.
And pour.
You don't know how strong it is. Is it super strong?
Go ahead and mix that.
Okay. Oh look, the glitter is awesome now. It's only going to be a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. You gotta keep mixing it until it becomes thick slime. And after this, we're going to do a slime reveal in 3, 2. We're going to do a slime reveal in 3, 2, 1. Oh gosh. Okay guys, look at my slime. This is how my slime turned out. It's so stretchy. It's not that stretchy because somehow when you stretch it a little, it breaks. But it's a little bit stretchy. And it's a little bit not stretchy. So, I just love it so much. It's only little because I did not realize that. Guys, you guys, if you want to use the blue and the purple, that's fine, because it'll make a more of a galaxy color, because that's what it's called. Look in the picture where it says, it looks like it's blue and purple, and it says galaxy. So you can use blue and purple. And guys, I'm gonna tell you a joke. What did the slime say to the slime? Have you ever saw slime before? Yes, I am slime. So I will please like and subscribe this video. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section and I will answer them. Dab on it for R2D2. If you have kids, let me know. Okay, bye.